Hello, I want to show you today how to make a mouse trap out of things you might have at home. Pretty much any large bucket will do. And then if you can get you a coat hanger or some other thin metal, which I have here, and I bent it out. And then I took, it's a large straw that will fit over top of it and slide and turn easy. And then in the center of it, I coat it with peanut butter. Then I take it and I place it right on top. So when the mouse comes up, it gets on here, try to get the peanut butter, and it turns. Now you're thinking, will it work? The answer is yes, it does work. Reason why I put it out here is because a mouse kept getting up in to these here every night and leaving its little mouse droppings. I mean, I know it's going after the feed and everything, but so I wanted to get that out of there so it doesn't contaminate my chicken feed. So I put that out there and it worked. Normally our cats would get it, but this is an enclosed area here, so it was pretty safe from the cats. I did forget to mention that you have to put in, water about this far into the bottom. I know it seems maybe inhumane, but it does go pretty quickly. I also like this method because it's big enough that if, say, there's multiple in that area, you can do that. Also, I'm not using any poisons. So the cats and the dogs aren't going to find that mouse and then try eating it and die from the poison. So it's a relatively safe way of catching mice. So give it a try.
Thank you for watching Chamberlain Family Farms. You can contact us at chamberlainff@gmail.com. You can also see us on Facebook, Chamberlain Family Farms. We hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe.